That video, I know I bench you, but I saw a clear filament a little while ago, and I've been curious since then for how it prints. So I finally got some. I knew it wasn't going to be completely clear because, you know, heat and everything clear, it goes cloudy, but this looks really cool. Like, if I get some light, it kind of does glow. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up, but you can see everything inside. That's really cool. I just threw it on whatever settings I had. But yeah, clear filament. That is a thing that exists in this world. And it looks really good when it's prints. It actually printed slightly better than my normal filament that I use.